So today we are going to investigate weight room equipment, starting from the most basic with cardboard all the way to the most advanced. Cardboard weight room equipment. Bench press. This is a homemade cardboard. Back squats. Okay, so this is the outdoor weight room, but yet there's no adjustable weights. It's outside, no adjustable weights, made of metal, but there is cardio equipment. A little cycle, a dip bar and for abs, as well as a pull-up bar, and well as a press machine. Kind of strange, you can't really adjust it, so it kind of just, you only push it that far. So very minimal range on that machine. No adjustables, not adjustable, very free. This is not weighted, more just, just body weight stuff. So this is the outdoor metal gym. So this is the other weight room. It's indoor, except I believe it's weighted. This is a little bit of a better one. Oh, weighted. Whoa, that's a lot of weight. Okay. This actually has weights on it. However, these do work. TVs, adjustable, chest press, and lat pull down, some leg equipment, and abs. This one is actually in it's a hotel, higher end hotel weight room. So as long as a kitchen. So another thing is that what I'm wearing. So these are Lululemon. They're higher end workout clothes. Good brand. Are their clothes? I've enjoyed every one. I use them today, and we'll continue to use it in the future. Okay, and then we're at the next gym. This gym is an indoor also. However, it has a bigger, and then down below is the big old weight room with weights and big platforms over there. The bench press with weights. It's all set up very nicely with an actual barbell. Where you can do many different things, and there's also higher weights on it for assistance, for pull-ups, dips, ab stuff like we were doing earlier. Nice clock there. It's got big old warm-up place and basketball courts, cardio equipment. A big cardio place as well as a walkway. But however, this is a public gym, so you know, higher end, but maybe not the highest end out there. Okay, so this is the higher end, the highest end gym. So differences I'm gonna tell you off the bat is they have personal training, they set up your workouts, they have all the equipment you need, their own or supply of supplements for sale prices, the sprinting treadmills. And this is the high-end Sorinex, highest end of weight room equipment around. As artificial turf. Yeah, and this is where we end the video. Like and subscribe. We'll maybe do more comparison videos around and yeah, continue this journey.